Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR for short, is like an antivirus on steroids. Most companies today use antivirus software to protect their endpoints, which are typically desktops and laptops. But AV software only works if the endpoint is infected with a known virus. This allows them to detect even the most sophisticated threats by looking for malicious behavior. This can include quarantining the infected file, blocking the malicious process, or even restoring the system to a previous state. B. Enterprise data recovery. C. Electronic device research. D. Endpoint drive reduction. For example, an EDR solution might detect a file that is being accessed by multiple processes, especially if those processes are legitimate system files. This could indicate that the file has been infected with a virus. What if there's a new virus that the company hasn't created a signature for yet? Or what if the threat is not a virus, but a sophisticated piece of malware that can bypass traditional antivirus detection methods? This is where EDR comes in. EDR solutions collect and analyze data from multiple sources on the endpoint, including the file system, the registry, and network traffic. Once EDR has detected a threat, it can take action to mitigate the risk. Now you know how EDR works. Take our quick quiz to test your knowledge. What does EDR stand for? Endpoint Detection and Response.